Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutia Ananda and I'm from Overing A, the biology faculty in University of Malang 2018. And today I would like to tell you about the article, and I will present it about the circumcision to prevent and stop HIV. So, let's start it. The first step was, what is HIV was? We must know, right, about the HIV because we are talking about the prevent something, the HIV. HIV. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system. The virus destroys a type of white blood cell in the immune system. White blood cell in here, the function was to phagocyte the illegal something wrong in our body, the illegal cell in our body. So, if the virus destroy a type of white blood cell, it make the white blood cell will attacking our body and attacking ourselves at the functional cell in our body. So it's very dangerous, like the cancer and what else, whatever it's mean that the HIV it's very dangerous for our healthy, for our body, because it can destroy our immune. So if our immune was infected by HIV virus, it can make our body get easy to have developing in disease and make ourselves get illness. Okay, so how can the HIV is if someone getting HIV was the basic facts. If someone's have infected by HIV by transform from the blood, semen fluid, rectal fluids, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. So the circumcision was the one method can effective to prevent the HIV virus infected. So we must know about the circumcision, right? What is the circumcision? What is the circumcision was? Circumcision has been considered as a firm surgical vaccine that removes the foreskin of penis. The foreskin of penis in here was one of area that the bacteria like to colonize, make a colonies in this area. So if we remove the foreskin of penis, we will exactly remove the bacteria that dangerous for men's healthy, I mean, like that. So from this we must know about the facts about the circumcision in the world. In 2007, trial first began to show that men who had circumcised are significantly less contract with HIV virus. The infection rate was up to 80% lower than individuals. The fact about the circumcision program. From mathematical model that's constructed by Jessica M. Chicken and her colleagues, which they have calibrate using household survey data on prevalence and risk behaviors, as well as circumcision coverage data. The result is more than 1 million men have undergone circumcision in country. To preventing HIV in the region of 80,000 cases of HIV is so fair. As CO author John Stoff suggests, this number will be predicate to over half a million cases of HIV prevent over the next until 15 years, since many of the participants in the voluntary medical male circumcision program were not yet sexually active. But the uptake of circumcision was initially slightly slower than expected, owing to uncertainty around the procedure. Consequently, the date of reach the 80% target has been pushed back to 2021. Like before, I said that Stoffer opinion, if 80 until 90% of the male population could participate in the benefits program would be very much. And there are also additional returns that the cost of the program is offset by the money saved for antiretroviral drugs. However, that will be the strategy for prevent the HIV virus to infect our body. But this system useful and usually is used for the older age groups, and to change the targeting from the old group to men in their early 20s and promoting to newborn circumcision, it's still being debated right now, because if we have circumcision in baby, we have circumcision in baby, the prone of the bleeding from the surgery is more higher than the teenager and older groups. So it's still debating for right now for the strategy, right? The strategy to running this program. So from this we can conclude that HIV is a virus spread through certain body fluids that attacks the body immune system, especially the CD4 cell, often called T cell. This damage to the immune system makes it harder and harder for the body to fight off infection and some other disease. Transmit HIV only through specific activities. Most commonly, people get or transmit HIV through sexual behaviors and needle use. So, alongside education and safe sex message, and until an effective vaccine is produced, circumcision remains the most effective tool we have in combating one of the worst pandemics to afflict the human race. So, like the staffer says, this system, the circumcision, is more cheaper and simpler if we have the circumcision. Because why can it cheaper? Because if we have infected by the HIV, so we need spend our money to take treatment in hospital. So let's have the circumcision for men for pretending the HIV to infect our body. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.